Okay, so now it's a time for the coolest demo of this particular course, and that is exploring AI speech service. I'm sure that you have used most of the AI agents with text. But you know what? I personally enjoy and love dealing with my AI agents using a voice because that saves a lot of time and it also gives a feeling like you're dealing with someone who's actually able to understand and who's doing a conversation with you in real time. Now, let me show you some of the cool features of Microsoft Foundry with respect to AI speech. As you can see right now, I'm on my Microsoft Foundry portal. I have already created a project. I already deployed some model, which is GPT 4.1. So I do not want to waste time in that. Without wasting time, let's just create a new agent. I hope you already know how to deploy a model, how to create a Foundry project and all this. If you do not know, you can check out my other lab videos first on our YouTube channel or on our website, which is skilltech.club. If you already know how to deal with this, let's get started with creating an agent. And I'm going to give a name of this, that this is my speech agent. I'm giving a name of the thing. This is my speech agent. And I'm going to click on create. Now remember, speech agent is a very simple agent which I'm trying to create right now. It's created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a proper instructions. I'm saying that you are an AI agent that provide information about AI and related topics. You answer questions concisely and precisely. That's exactly what I want. I do not want to do anything else in this particular agent. This is more than enough for me. And right now, if I just try to click on save, this agent is saved. As of now, I have not enabled any voice mode here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some kind of a text in this, that what can you help me with? If I put this, it's going to give me an answer in a form of a normal chat specific response. And you can see it's saying I can help you with a wide range of topics related to artificial intelligence, explaining AI concept, practical guidance. It can do all those things for me, which is great. Now, let me just focus on voice mode. So I'm going to turn this voice mode on. When you do this, you can see it's giving you a UI here, which is saying, let's talk. Click on the start new session. The agent is going to listen and respond. You can update your voice settings using a chat config. Now that chat config is something which is automatically open here at the right side. I can give some kind of a user-friendly name for my agent. I can also provide some kind of a description for the agent, which is visible to the end users who are going to use this. And if this configuration section is not popping up automatically, you can click on this cogwheel icon so that you can get this particular option here. In the below section, I can also provide some kind of a starter prompts if I want. And then this is the most important part of this. While doing a conversation with your agent, you can choose what kind of a speech input you want in which language. And then if you want to do some kind of an advanced settings with that, you can also do that settings like voice activity detection and all. On the other hand, you have a speech output, which is basically having plenty of voices which you can choose from. I have some default voices in English which are available here, like Ava, Andrew, Emma are basically different voices in a specific language. If I click on more voices here, I will be able to choose from hundreds of voices, and some of the voices are basically available in 90 plus languages, as well as you will be able to find that some of the voices are actually available with different kind of, I can say, pronunciation, speaking style, and vocabulary. And this is all going to be available in this. Now, I'm not changing the voice or adding any voice right now. Let me see how this is working first. So I'm just going to say start. And after this, I'm going to speak something. So let me just click on start. Hey, agent, what can you help me with?
Hello! I can help you with a variety of tasks related to AI and technology, including explaining AI concepts, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, etc., summarizing or reviewing research papers and news about AI, providing code examples or helping debug
Okay,
AI ML.
can you just help me with one thing, that how exactly the speech processing works with modern AI agents?
Absolutely. Stage processing, also known as pipeline processing or modular agent architecture, is a method where an AI agent completes tasks in several ordered stages, with each stage focusing on a distinct subtasks. This approach is widely used in modern example.
Okay, this is something which is very, very complex. Can you just help me with how does speech recognition work?
Absolutely. Speech recognition, also known as automatic speech recognition, ASR, or speech to text, is the technology that converts spoken language into written text. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works in modern AI systems. Steps in modern speech recognition. 1. Audio input and pre-processing. The system receives audio, your voice, via a microphone. The audio signal is cleaned and sometimes split into small, manageable frames, like 25 milliseconds each.
Now I'm just stopping this, and as you can see, this is working fine. And the whole conversation which I've done is actually noted here in the form of chat. Also, if I try with the different languages, whether that is working or not, I need to check that thing without adding any voice inside this. So of course, if I add a voice, it's going to work, but let's try certain things here. So let's say I'm going to shift to one thing that, okay, I want this to detect the language. So I'm going to say that, I'm going to say something now in Hindi. Okay, I'm going to click on start. कैसे हो AI एजेंट? क्या आप मुझे बताओगे कि स्पीच सिंथेसिस कैसे काम करता है?
Jihan. Speech synthesis एक technique है जिससे कंप्यूटर या AI इंसानी आवाज की तरह बोल सकता है इसका काम कुछ steps में होता है एक
Now you can see it is able to answer this in Hindi as well, but this voice is actually not having a pronunciation associated with Hindi or Indian language. And that's the reason it's not sounds like a perfect voice. I can go to this drop down, I can click on more voices now, and maybe I can choose a voice which is basically an Indian voice. Like this is an Indian voice. No, this is English. This is Indian voice, which is saying Mira 2 Dragon HD latest. I can choose this. I can click on save. Now this is Mira 2, which is Indian voice. I've selected this one. It's a female voice. And now I'm going to click on start and I'm going to ask same thing. So I'm going to click on start. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि स्पीच सिंथेसिस कैसे काम करता है?
जी, मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ स्पीच सिंथेसिस यानी कि टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच टीटीएस एक टेक्नोलॉजी है जो लिखे हुए मतनों को इंसानी आवाज की तरह सुनाई देने वाली ऑडियो में तब्दील करती है। इस काम के लिए एक सिस्टम कई डिफरेंट स्टेप्स को फॉलो करता है। 1. टेक्स्ट एनालिसिस। सिस्टम पहला ही दिया गया मातन एनालाइज करता है और आइडेंटिफाई करता है कि किन वर्ड्स, सेंटेंसेस और पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स हैं। 2. लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोसेसिंग। यहाँ सिस्टम हर
So this is working fine. I'm sure this is one of the things which you can try with your own customization. Also see this here, this answer of this, because I was talking in Hindi, it's showing me that speech synthesis, it's actually giving me not a Hindi language here, but it's giving me that what exactly I can read with this. And then based on the response also is giving me all those things in that. So basically whatever conversation which you're doing with that specific language is going to be available here. So that's how you can use it. Now, this technique is something which is known as transliteration. It's not a translation, but it's a transliteration of this, that how you actually pronounce that particular word in a different language like that. And that's how it is here. So this is working fine. This is how your AI speech is working in Microsoft Foundry. Okay, now I want to try a few more things with this AI speech actually. So if you see right side, we have a sections where I can do some customizations for this. And then in this, I have an option which I really like is avatar. Now, if I go to this avatar, it's showing me that some avatars are available here, which I can choose from. And same like audio, language, and voices, we have here this kind of different avatars also available. Now, maybe I can just pick one particular avatar from this. So let's say I'm going to pick Anika, and I'm going to click on save. And the moment I do this, this is basically choosing this avatar here. And then I can click on start now. So let me just click on save first. So okay, now you can see I have selected this avatar, and then I'm just going to click on start. And yes, now I think this avatar is ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a question. So I'm going to say, how does speech recognition work?
speech recognition works by converting spoken language into text using a combination of audio.
Okay, now can you tell me a little bit more about speech synthesis and how it works with the detailed process, please?
Certainly, speech synthesis, also known as text to speech (TTS), is the artificial production of human speech from written text. Here's a detailed overview of how the process typically works. Dash 1. Text analysis and normalization. Input text is first pre-processed to handle special formats such as numbers, abbreviations, and symbols. The system converts these into standard words. Furgi, doctor becomes doctor, 123 becomes 123. This step is known as text normalization. 2. Linguistic analysis. The normalized text is broken down into smaller units: sentences, phrases, words.
So as you can see, this is how it is working. And this is one of the coolest feature, as I said, from my side. Do let me know how would you like this thing, or whether you understood speech service in AI or not. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you liked it. And that's it from my side. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.